In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood strut on this Volkswagen Jetta wagon. This is going to be located under the hood. Let's get into it. Now you want to support the hood before you take this off. Have an assistant hold the hood for you or use a hood prop. Now we're going to use a pick and just take this clip. You want to pop this clip out, or you can use a straight blade screwdriver, just like that. And just grab it, pull it back, and down below, you want to do the same. Take the clip off, just get underneath there with the pick, pull it out, it comes right out. I'm going to take the new one, pop the base on, that's good. And up top, you want to twist it in the right position. Lift the hood a little bit more. And pop it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.